So this is a new website that I created for this video because the last one got vanished or something like that because I hit the backspace too early. So in this website it has a title MK's web page and it has a title inside the body called hi. So it's not that rocket science or something like that, it's just a simple website showing hi. I'll just run it and show you what's the result. Okay, so the browser is also gone. I had to open it again. Yeah, so it shows this thing called hi. Actually I'm going to make it a little big by making it as h2. Okay, h1 is better, so h1 again. And now if I save it, it shows a pretty big title called hi. To make it look like a title, I'll just make it all caps and refresh this. Okay, now it looks reasonable. So what I am going to do is not that simple, so follow up and be concentrated. So let's get started. In this video I am going to show you another anchor tag or that A tag which you saw in the last video, and that is called hi. Sorry, I just looked at the screen and told hi. That is called title. So suppose you have a title and it's pretty dumb like mine, and you want to show the users that this is a title without actually showing on the screen. You can actually see that if you go somewhere and keep your mouse over an icon or something like that, it shows a small box and says what is it. So this is also known as tooltip, which is used in website, which I am going to use for a title because the title is not being shown as a title. So what two tips can be accessed as A and then title. What's it? Title equals to whatever, close that, and this thing keep it at the last. Actually paste it. Yeah, so this whatever inside this quotes will say what is this hi. So I'll make it as this is the title of my web page. Actually it would be a bad thing to do, actually, like saying someone that this is my title, please know that, something like that. Title is supposed to be something like obvious something. I think it should be the head of the web page and it should be shown as a title, but for my sake, since this web page has only one word and that can't be a title, but it is, so I should show that. So let me say that browser, refresh this. So now if I keep my mouse over this hi, it shows a small box saying that this is the title of my web page. This is the last anchor tag actually. If you don't know what is anchor tag, these are tags which start with A. I told in the last before the video that I don't know, but actually I researched about it and it was found out to be anchor tags. I don't know why. So another tag, not an anchor tag but a pretty interesting tag which you might use often, is the image showing tag. So you want to show an image or something like that, then you might get used to this tag. So the tag starts with img. This shows that this tag is an image and then you put the source of that image, and the important thing is that the image should be in your own web, in the same folder as your web page. So last time you saw that the web page we want to redirect should be in the same folder. Like that, even the image or whatever video or whatever you want to add, it should be in the same folder. So then you put the name of the image. For mine it is watermark. It's actually my channel's logo or something like that. And then the extension, which is png. Then you close the tag. Then you open the ending tag. I don't know why it didn't come. Then you close that too. So this makes it good, I think. Now let me go and refresh it. Okay, it came, but this looks a bit small. Okay, lot small. So I want to make it big. What I can do is go here and adjust the height. I'll make it 1080 pixels. Actually that should be in quotes. And then the width, which is going to be 720 in my case. You can actually say it whatever you want, but it should look pretty decent. So I'll just make it 720 and save it. Go to my browser, refresh it, and okay, this is not good. This is not good. So actually I did upside down. This should be 720 and the width should be 1080. So now if I refresh it, it gives a good look. But still, since my image is actually a square, it would be reasonable to put it as 720 here also. According to your image, you can actually change that. What is this? Add. I don't want add. So now if I refresh it, it is reasonable. So this is the image tag. Now the next tag is the video tag. Let me quickly backspace it. So the next tag is video tag, and it's not like you think vid or something like that. It is video, and even this has an src, which is source, then two quotes, and for this the ending tag comes automatically. So I have video, which is my video. It's the last video of my channel, and it is with 7.mp4. so it's the last video which you saw. You need not concentrate and see through my browser. You can actually go ahead to YouTube and see it in the direct link or something like that. So I have the video 7. I'll refresh it. So this is the video, last video. Make sure to watch it. I'll put the link in description. So actually you can press Ctrl and scroll to change the size, but that will actually change the size of your browser's vision. So to change the size, again it's just the height and width. So height equals to 720 pixels, width equals to 1080. That's HD actually, if you didn't know. So this again is the real thing. So this is the video. How to play the video? I don't know. This actually looks like a picture or something like that, because it doesn't have any pause play button or scroll button, nothing it has. So how to bring that? It's a simple thing. You just add controls, another keyword, make sure you note down, and then you put it as true. So now you get this fancy play button which plays the video. Then you have the scroll seeker, then you have the volume adjuster, all at just a click, not a click, some two words. So we have this picture in picture. What is that? I don't want this. uh, so this is the HTML's video viewer. Yeah, that's pretty much for this website or this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to watch this video too, which is in my browser, not through my browser, to you through YouTube. So thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.